We are almost done, boys and girls. We're just going to do a few sentences that are going to help us learn what is involved in a sentence. Now, we know that when we write a sentence, we start with what? A capital letter. We end with a punctuation, right? A period, question mark, exclamation point. But it's not only important to know those things, we need to know what makes a real sentence. What kinds of things have to be in a sentence? So let me show you what I mean. This is a picture of a what? Can you see it? A dolphin. What is that dolphin doing? Okay, that dolphin is jumping out of the water and it's swimming in the ocean. So I gave you two different sentences. The dolphin is jumping out of the water. So what's jumping? The dolphin. Where's he jumping? Out of the water. And then going back in. Splash. Or the dolphin is swimming. What is swimming? The dolphin. Where is he swimming? In the ocean. Good. So you have to have a subject. What is your sentence about? And then it has to say what it's doing, right? If we just say the dolphin, then that's not a sentence either, is it? What is this picture? If you play baseball, I bet you know what this is. This is an umpire. And our sentence is, the umpire wears a mask. Can you see that over his face? Now, we think a mask as right here, right? But these kind of masks, they've worn those for a long time, and that's to protect their face in case they get hit with the ball. And so who is wearing the mask? The umpire. Good. And what is he doing? He is wearing a mask. Good. What's this picture? We use this one a lot, don't we? A deer. And the deer leaped over the log. So what's our sentence about? It's about the deer. Okay, that's our subject. And what did our deer do? He leaped over the log. If we just say the deer, is that a sentence? No. What if we just said leaped over the log? Would that be a sentence? No, because we don't know what leaped over the log. Maybe it was a frog. Maybe it was a kangaroo. So you have to have the subject and what the subject does. Let's listen to a few more. I don't have pictures for these, so these you get to do pictures in your mind. This one says, the fish swam in the lake. So what is swimming in the lake? The fish. And where are they swimming? In the lake. Here's another one. Oh, this one almost matched the log one. The frog leaped on the rock. If I just said on the rock, would that be a sentence? No. If I just said the frog, would that be a sentence? Let's put them together. The frog leaped on the rock. Does that make a sentence? Yes. One more. the grandmother waits for the bus. Who waits for the bus? The grandmother. And what does the grandmother do? She waits for the bus. Awesome. We are starting to learn some pretty important things about sentences and how we put words together, and we're starting to blend words and writing and letters and all that stuff, and before long you are going to be a first grader. How amazing is that? All right, just before I close, you have a paper for today. It is called We Are, and you are going to fold that paper. It should be the first one in your book. Not the first paper, but the first one of these in your booklet, for those of you that are working from home. And this is what it says. We are in the bag. Who's in the bag? Look at that. Who is in the bag? The mice are in the bag. I hope they're not in my bag. How about this one? Oops. We are in the sink. We are in the tub. We are in the house. I would like you to find somebody to practice this with. These are almost all words that we know now. Are is our new word. So you find somebody that you can practice that with. You get really, really good at it. And then maybe you can find somebody younger than you that you could read it to. Or maybe you could call grandpa or grandma or an aunt or uncle and say, I want to read you my book. That would be exciting. Thank you for sharing Wednesday with me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.